Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. Today was a bloody day in the market, at least for now. It's only 10:53 a.m. and I'm wrapping up trading for the morning right now. Took some scalp trades, trading the futures market, and just traded with the trend. I think I did a pretty good job trading with the overall trend. So we're going to go over that with you guys here in a second. And, just coming into the market today and just seeing the world market on fire, everything down, down big. The VIX was up over 18% to over 25. Not what you like to see if you are long. Now, what we do here, in Green Bar Trading, um, a lot of us anyway, scalp trade or will swing trade, but we like to find market direction first. And we use these key levels and the market from a big point of view to paint that picture for us. And if certain levels break, well, then we're going to be taking put contracts, we're going to be selling futures, or we're just going to be sitting on our hands and not going long. Now, if you're interested in joining a community like that, the link is in the description right here. No pressure. It's only $99, one payment, and you're in for life, no monthly fee, and you could come join us if you would like. Now, getting into the trade and sharing the moneymaker. So today, 148.75, I'm wrapping it up, traded the micro. Now, the micro is better to trade when the volatility is absolutely out of control. Now, still did a great job as far as trading with the trend, but if you're trading those big contracts and it's whipping back and forth, you end up getting stopped out before the move goes in your favor. At least for me, this is a way for me to minimize my risk. And that's what we did here, and sharing the trades with you. And you're going to notice a lot of technical analysis. I do a ton of technicals when I'm trading. Now, 4,600, this was obviously a very key level. It was a key level, didn't want to see it break, but 4,500 is also a very key level that, if we break that, then we're really looking at a rough time. And, obviously this has been a very rough day. Coming from Friday's close, and then when futures opened on Sunday night, we have just sold off. Now, this is all during the Asia session overnight, coming into the UK Open, still sold off. And then we kind of found a bottom here, right around 45.26. Now, what I had said in our Discord before the market opened, before we started trading for the day, a couple of us were talking about taking puts on the SPY. That would have been very good. I said we can target the pre-market lows right here that happened overnight in the futures market. A lot of times in a very weak market, even though we saw this nice reversal, started making higher highs and a higher low here, had a nice reversal. And this was a couple technicals. I took a couple of scalps long off of this area, but then right here, it could not break 45.60 and sold off pretty hard. So right here, that's when bias changes back to going short. And, this is seen a lot when the market sells off to a huge loss. At this point, it was almost 90 points down. Almost always the futures start to come back a little bit, and then the market will open and then will continue to follow that overall trend. So you just have to know that there's different times, especially with the futures, to trade that. And right here, we just got down to that target area here. So if people were taking this trade, like we showed over on Discord, that would have been a great trade to take. We'll see if it bounces here. We're coming up to 11 a.m. Sometimes 11 a.m. sees some dip buying. We'll see if that happens. I don't know. The market does not look too good to me, but anything's possible. So the way that I traded this and the way that we made 148.75 is all on technicals. So once that key level broke, which we saw here on Sunday, couldn't break it, and then just sold off. So once that happened, overall bias at this point, breaking key levels, like I said, we use this as a compass. Now we are short bias. So when the market opens, I get in for some quick short scalps. So I got into this one, which was really good. And then we waited, popped up, took more shorts, covered down here, took more shorts up here, covered down here. Same thing the whole way down until this changes. We're making we're making lower highs and we're making lower lows. This is a very good way to trade an overall trend, a trending market that is obviously trending down. Bless you. So anyway, that is the way that we traded this today. The overall market, the SPY, will look the same. So if you're trading futures and you want to see, I'm trying to make this a little bigger, but you can see here it trades along the same way. Lower highs the whole way down. Just mark this out. And almost to the penny. So you can just tell that a lot of traders, maybe algorithms, all of that are just trading this really, really obvious trend. And, going to stay away from equities for right now until the VIX settles down and gets back under 20, back to 18, back to 14, where we have seen it all year. There's really going to be too much volatility going on there. So that's it. This is what we did here. I could have held on for a little bit longer, but when you're trading and you're scalping, especially, you're not going to get the whole move. So that's just the way that it happens. But, very nice technicals here and some pretty decent trading, even though the market was a little choppy here. Now, this is what I'm talking about with these big swings back and forth. If you don't have perfect entrances and you're trading the big boy ES, you could be down a decent amount, which you should be covering before the move goes in your direction. And that's the reason why I'm trading the mini version. Even though I'm taking some more contracts than one, that's just the way that minimize our risk. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this trade recap. It's Monday. Short week this week, but we'll be here every day. We're going to be doing what we do. And if you're interested, like I said, joining our Discord, come in. It's a great group, good group of traders. If you have questions, you will get answers in there. Hit the thumbs up for the video, and I will see you back on the next one. Take care.